Video, we're going to learn how to add or remove an exercise from the gradebook. So first, we'll go ahead and load the gradebook. We can see that lesson 1.1.4, your first Carol program, is currently in the gradebook. We're then going to go to the Assignments tab, into the module 1.1.4, your first Carol program. We'll select Edit. You scroll down to In Gradebook, and then we can remove it from an individual section, so just from period 1, Mr. Meeks, APCSP, or we can remove it from all sections, current and future, that use this course. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove it from this section. We'll go back to the gradebook. And you can see that that is no longer in the gradebook. Your first Carol program, 1.1.4, has been removed. I hope that makes sense. Have a great day.